A very good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning classes of Sacred Hearts of Business Studies. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the social responsibility and the cases for the social responsibility. Now, today in our 26th lecture, we are going to discuss about business and environment protection. So, dear students, let us start with the introduction of business and environment protection. The greatest problem that industries and businessmen are creating is that of pollution. Although a lot of good things have been done by the industries and the businessmen, but still there are some drawbacks, some major drawbacks, and the major one of the major drawback is the creation of pollution. The absence of effective legal control systems has also encouraged many air and water polluting industries being set up in the urban areas. So, although legal controls are there, but the legal controls are not implemented effectively, and as a result, many of the industries have been established in the urban areas and creating air and water pollution. See further, although government is taking corrective measures to take the large industries from the urban areas, government have passed all maximum most of amendments so that the industries may not establish in the urban areas, but it is only for the generally for the large scale, but not for the small and medium scale. So, small and medium scale industries are still existing in the urban areas and creating the problematic situations over there. Their emissions are seriously affecting the health of the workers and the local residents. uh, Two parties are affecting very adversely, the very first party that is working over there, and the second party the particular people living in nearby that particular business. This damage of environment has contributed to increasing disease and disaster, and all these things have been led to the increasing diseases day by day and the disaster in the environment. Now see the next topic, that is causes of environmental pollution. What are the basic causes of environmental pollution? How the environment is getting polluted. But before discussing that, we will discuss what is the meaning of pollution. So, dear students, pollution can be defined as injection of harmful substances in the environment. That means we are injecting some of the substances which are not good for the nature as well and for not for the us as well. These substances neither good for the human being nor for the mother nature. ये किसी पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट के लिए, ना ही ह्यूमन बींग के लिए, ना ही मदर नेचर के लिए, किसी के लिए भी इफेक्टिव नहीं, फ्रूटफुल नहीं है. आगे देखिए, some common types of pollution, although you people all have heard and read about the pollution, but still again, some common type of pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and the pollution that is coming in the trend, that is the noise pollution as well. Let us discuss about the causes. So, environmental pollution arises due to following causes. Environmental pollution को create करने वाले causes कौन कौन से हैं? The very first cause is the air pollution. Air pollution refers to injection of harmful substances in the atmosphere, which results in lowering the quality of air we breathe in. That means, what is air pollution? Inculcation of the harmful substances in the atmosphere, and due to which it becomes harder to take the breathe or to take the oxygen from the environment in the natural way. Air pollution is a serious problem for the whole world, as it has created a hole in the ozone layer of atmosphere. It is not so that the only one or two or couple of countries are affecting from the air pollution, but the whole world is facing the consequences of air pollution by the way of hole in the ozone layer. जो हमारी ओजोन लेयर है एटमोसफेयर की, उसमें क्या हो गए, डिफरेंट होल्स बन गए. And what are the causes of the air pollution? Smoke, chemicals emitted by the factories, and the smoke emitted by the vehicles are the main causes of air pollution. All these are the causes. चाहे हम लोग वो केमिकल फैक्ट्रीज़ की बात करें, चाहे हम लोग वो व्हीकल्स की बात करें, चाहे हम लोग वो नॉर्मल फैक्ट्रीज से निकलने वाले धुएँ की बात करें, सो ऑल दीज आर द causes of air pollution. In the image also you can see the disastrous image of the air pollution. In a very large quantity the smoke is emitted, and as a result the whole of the atmosphere nearby that becomes the cloudy one and the hazy one. Now the next cause, that is the water pollution. Water pollution refers to dumping of chemicals and other waste in rivers, lakes, and other water sources. When we used to dispose the waste in the water source, it may be the river, it may be the lake, or it may be the other any of this, such as pond and so on, sea, any of the water source, so it create the water pollution. Generally, the factories located near the rivers, जो फैक्ट्रीज कहाँ स्टैब्लिश हो रखी हैं, रिवर के बगल में, स्ट्रीम्स डंप देयर वेस्ट इनटू रिवर्स, लेक्स एंड स्ट्रीम्स, ठीक है. और ये क्या करती हैं, जो भी पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्रीज स्टैब्लिश हैं नियर द स्ट्रीम्स एंड रिवर्स, व्हाट दे यूज टू डू, दे यूज टू डिस्पोज देयर वेस्ट in the water source directly, which is creating the water pollution. और इससे क्या हो रहा है बेटा, water pollution हो रहा है. And although we all know that water pollution is something also very bad. Why? Because this water can be will be intaked by the human being, and then it will create a lot of serious issues for the human being as well, and for the any of the living that is going to consume that water. Next, that is the land pollution. Land pollution refers to dumping of toxic waste in land, which affects the fertility of land and makes it unfit for the agriculture. What happens, beta? That the land pollution is something dumping of the waste. Whatever the type of waste is there, we are putting it on the, we are just throwing it on the land, and as a result, the fertility of the land reduces, and it become unfit for the agriculture. There are two aspects of land pollution. Land pollution के two aspects इसने बताए. The one is to improve the quality of land which is already damaged. हम लोगों ने already बहुत सारा damage कर दिया है, तो damaged land की quality को improve कैसे करेंगे, first. And the second, how to check for the contamination of land, and how to cross check that how much contamination have been spread over the land. So these are the two aspects of the land pollution, and somewhere somehow the land pollution is creating a very big trouble for the human being, because ultimately whatever the food we are getting, whatever the grains we are getting it through the agriculture, and the land pollution is directly giving the bad impact on the land. Now, in order to check the land pollution, methods of solid waste disposals are used. लैंड पोल्यूशन को क्रॉस चेक करने के लिए, लैंड पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, सॉलिड वेस्ट जो प्लांट्स होते हैं, दे आर एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन द डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, एंड व्हाट दे यूज टू डू, दे द कंबस्टेबल वेस्ट आर नाउ सेपरेटेड एंड आर यूज एज द फ्यूल इन इंडस्ट्रीज. अब यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, जो भी वेस्ट होता है उसको टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, द कंबस्टेबल एंड द नॉन कंबस्टेबल. कंबस्टेबल दैट मीन्स दैट कैन बी बर्नड आउट एंड कैन प्रोड्यूस हीट, दैट मीन्स जिसको हम लोग एज अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, एज अ फ्यूल क्या कर सकते हैं, यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो वट एवर द कंबस्टेबल वेस्ट इज देयर, दैट इज सेंट टू द डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज for the source of energy for the fuel. And what is the benefit? Two benefits are there. The first benefit, the waste is getting disposed of properly, the first thing, that is for the beneficial for the nature. And the second thing, the industries get these type of fuels in a very low cost, so they will be able to arrange the fuel in the very low cost. You can see the image of land pollution over here, that is dumping of the waste, not only in the dustbin only, but the dustbin is only one, but the waste is that much that it is overburdened over there, and that is why the waste is scattered over here and there. So these are the three causes that are basically creating environmental problem: air pollution, water pollution, and then land pollution. Now, what is the need for pollution control, why we people must think about the control of the pollution. The very first, to ensure safety. Due to environmental pollution and smoke, the visibility is reducing. क्या हो रहा है बेटा, एयर पोल्यूशन से स्मोक क्रिएट हो रहा है एंड द विजिबिलिटी इज रिड्यूसिंग. ड्यू टू पुअर visibility there are chances of accident. Obviously if the visibility not be proper, there are some chances of the accidents on the highways or any of the particular places. And also the poor visibility is hazardous for the taking off and landing of the aeroplanes as well. They also find difficulty in the landing and in the taking off. Second, economic losses. Air pollution is blackening the buildings, water pollution is affecting the sea life, and land pollution is affecting the fertility of land. इसने मेजर कॉजेज बताए कि एयर पोल्यूशन से क्या हो रहा है, वाटर पोल्यूशन से क्या हो रहा है एंड लैंड पोल्यूशन से क्या हो रहा है. ऑल दीज आर ब्रिंगिंग इकोनॉमिक लॉसेस फॉर द कंट्री. इन सब से क्या हो रहा है, कंट्री को इकोनॉमिक लॉस हो रहा है. हाउ? The very foremost example is the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is getting its layer is getting deteriorated and it is becoming the pale one, the yellow one. From the white it is becoming the yellow one, and it is something the cause of the air pollution as well. So somewhere somehow all these pollutions are creating the economic losses for the country. Next, to maintain the natural beauty. The pollution is having a direct impact on the natural beauty. The natural beauty consists of, we all have seen, mountains, rivers, trees and land etc. Wherever there is a combination of mountain, rains, trees and land, we find that particular place very soothing, very peaceful, and we want to live in at that particular area. And that is why every time whenever we get some sort of vacation, we used to place some of the particular area where the natural beauty is there. So the pollution is deteriorating the natural beauty as well. So for saving of the natural beauty as well, for getting relaxed from the hectic schedule, we just used to go to the near to the nature. So it will be only possible when there is the natural beauty remain. So the pollution is affecting all these type of natural beauties. Next, to ensure healthy life. Pollution control is must to ensure healthy life of people. Pollution is the root cause of many disease. अगर हम लोग pollution की बात करें तो the pollution is the basic cause for the diseases of the many of the diseases. The common diseases caused by the pollution are हार्ट एंड लंग डिजीज़. कौन सी डिजीज़ हो रही है? हार्ट एंड लंग डिजीज़ हो रही है, कैंसर हो रहा है, लीवर प्रॉब्लम, किडनी प्रॉब्लम एक्सेट्रा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, टू लीड अ कंफर्टेबल लाइफ. Pollution is creating nuisance and inconvenience. Polluted rivers become unfit for swimming and fishing. Air pollution causes eye irritation and breathing problem etc. All these are reducing the comfortableness of the human being's life. क्या हो रहा है, जो पोल्यूशन क्रिएट हो रहा है इससे हमारी लाइफ की जो कंफर्टेबलनेस है, जो हमारी लाइफ की सूदिंगनेस है, वो कहीं ना कहीं क्या हो रही है बेटा, एलिमिनेट हो रही है. अगर हम लोग किसकी बात करें, अगर हम लोग बात करें वाटर पोल्यूशन की, तो इससे जो हम लोग स्विमिंग कर सकते हैं, जो फिशिंग है, वो अब पॉसिबल नहीं है. एयर पोल्यूशन की वजह से हम लोग एक जो ओपनली हम लोग जो डीप ब्रीथ ले सकते हैं, दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सो समवेयर समहाउ ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर क्रिएटिंग द problems and which are reducing the comfortableness of our life. Now, what is the role of business in the environment protection? So dear students, see some of the points are here. First, making use of eco-friendly techniques of production. What the businessman can do, they can use the eco-friendly technique from which the level of pollution can be reduced up. Second, recycling industrial waste. Whatever the waste is there, that can be recycled so that it will harm least to the nature. Next, treating the waste through technologies before discharging. If we are discharging the waste anywhere, land or in the water, so we have to treat it initially. And if we treat the particular waste, then it will create the less amount of pollution in the environment. Next, पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन इको फ्रेंडली एक्टिविटीज़, क्या करना चाहिए बिजनेस यूनिट्स को इको फ्रेंडली जो एक्टिविटीज़ उनमें पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए. दीज एक्टिविटीज़ कैन बी द प्लांटेशन, है ना, प्लांटेशन हो सकती है दैट यू आर ग्रोइंग द प्लांट्स, और इट कैन बी द जस्ट ब्रिंगिंग द अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल अबाउट द इन्वायरमेंट. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हम लोग दैट मीन्स बिजनेसमैन लोगों को अवेयर करें अबाउट द इन्वायरमेंट एंड इट्स पॉल्यूशन एंड इट्स प्रॉब्लम्स. नेक्स्ट, making use of eco marks by producing eco friendly product. If we are producing any of the product that is eco friendly, then eco marks must be there, and it is also must be made by the consumer that they must purchase these type of goods which are having the eco marks, which means you are contributing to the least amount of pollution to the nature. Next, abiding by the bylaws and policies framed by the government. Whatever the rules, regulations and policies have been made by the government, that must be followed. All those policies, rules and regulation must be followed by the businessman. And the last one, spreading awareness among the general public regarding the importance of eco-friendly techniques and product. और क्या करना, अवेयरनेस को स्प्रेड करना among the consumers, among the common public. So this is all about today, beta. What we have discussed today, we have discussed about the introduction about the business and environment protection. Thereafter we have discussed about the meaning of pollution, the causes of environmental degradation, air, water and land pollution. Thereafter we have discussed the causes, why to control the pollution, what are the need, and the last that we have seen the environment protection of the businessman. This is all about today. God bless you all.